This slide is mainly look at what is there, the level of thinking and action. This is actually the Bloom's taxonomy. Now, Bloom's taxonomy talks about these 6 stages, wherein I start from the bottom, wherein it is recognized or just a remembering piece of it, right? More emphasis on memory. So remember, that is what is all about rote learning. I need to come over that and start understanding as to why and how. Why and how is something that students and children will start asking questions to themselves. Why is it like this? How come it is like this? Why not it should be like this? The thinking process starts. And then they will start applying in how it is used, how does it work, and now if I combine the two things, what will happen? The mechanics of it, the electrics of it, the electronics of it, the mechatronics of it, all of that would come there. I'm just picking up examples. Now, the bottom 3 are the lower order thinking skills according to Bloom's taxonomy. So even if I get my students still apply, they are still under lower order thinking skills. We need to get them to higher order thinking skills wherein they have the capability to analyze, evaluate, and create something new. You may see questions of HOTS in the textbooks even now, but they are nothing more than asking the same thing what has been covered in the textbook by a little bit changing the grammar or a little bit changing the sentence. Whereas if we correlate a lot of what they have learned into what they are seeing in their daily lives, they will start analyzing it even more, and they will automatically start evaluating their approach to create something new. Right? Now, you all know at what level our students are in the schools. Probably in the bottom 1 or at the most level 2. No use. And we all have to appreciate that the National Education Policy has acknowledged the fact that students are not able to come beyond level 2. Forget about level 3 also. And that is where the importance of implementing this National Education Policy is all about. Bloom's taxonomy, we can talk on a different day. But please understand that this is exactly what needs to be applied. And why is this important? It's because the competition to our students is no more local. It is global. Our children will be competing with the children of South Korea, children of Japan, children of Singapore, children of UK, France, Saudi Arabia also for that matter, and the US and China, let's not forget. If we don't catch up now, if we don't spend all our energies into getting this implemented, the next generation and the future of the country is at stake. And we, as responsible citizens of this country, we have this wonderful opportunity at our hand to make a difference. Of course, we are working, we are going to make money and all that, but as a moral responsibility of we being in the education system, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity for all of us to play a role in implementing the National Education Policy. The next generations will remember us for the rest of their life. The culture of assessment must shift from one that primarily tests rote memorization. No more memorization, no more testing my memory, please. Test my memory with my tables. Yes, tables 20 का नहीं, 30 तक नहीं, 40 तक का ले लो. No problem. उतना capability है. But don't take it beyond the tables. Don't ask me to memorize a mathematical equation. No, I have to prove a mathematical equation. We have theorems. We have corollaries. We need to prove it step by step. बच्चे क्या करते हैं? स्टेप भी रट्टा मार लेते हैं. अलजेब्रा का कुछ इक्वेशन आ गया, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. उधर x plus y plus z is equal to 3 आ गया. अरे मुझे तो abc पता है, ये xyz क्या है पता नहीं है. बस. That is where they need to apply and analyze. That is that level. Simple examples, right? So memorization, rote memorization has to be thrown out of the window. Of course, the first 3 years, that really helps. Where? Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. अरे उसका समझ नहीं आएगा उनको. They will not understand it at that age. But the tune and all that, the pronunciation and all of it is necessary. So rote learning, memorization, ठीक है, okay. First 3 years, first 5 years, foundational years में rote memorization लगाओ, no problem. But उसके बाद change करना है. So I'll tell you a simple thing. I've told this earlier also. Now कैसे ये होता है because of rote learning. One example is Johnny, yes, Papa. Right? Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. अरे इसका मतलब मैं अभी जाना. कब जाना मैं बताता हूँ. But this was रट मार लिया यार, उसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आया उस समय पे नहीं. Till very recently, I never understood what is that ha 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 at the end. राइट ओनली अभी वीडियो देखने के बाद पता चला कि वो मुंह खोलता है, उसके मुंह में शक्कर है और वो बोलता है पापा आई डिडंट टेल यू बट यस यू सॉ दैट सो आई एम लाफिंग. राइट, दैट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ रोट लर्निंग. मैंने उस समय पे रोट लर्न कर दिया, अभी भी रोट लर्निंग ही है, बट उसका मीनिंग अभी जाके समझ में आया. तब मुझे पूछने का उतना हिम्मत नहीं था तो पूछा नहीं, और 1 साल के बाद वो निकल गया, वो छूट गया. बट जो रोट लर्निंग था वो याद था, बट उसका मीनिंग पता नहीं था. ठीक है, हा 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 क्यों आया पता नहीं, मे बी इट्स फन, बट देन दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. ही ओपन्स द माउथ एंड देन लाफ्स, हा 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 देखो कैसे उल्लू बनाया टाइप्स. राइट, सो दैट हैज टू चेंज. राइट, सो टेस्ट रोट मेमोराइजेशन टू वन दैट इज मोर फॉर्मेटिव. इफ somebody had asked me कि वो हा 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 क्या है, तो मैं सोचने लगता. मैंने सोचा बट मुझे आंसर नहीं मिला. अगर टीचर पूछती तो मैं वापस जवाब पूछता कि टीचर मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आया, आप समझाओ मुझे. बट उसने भी नहीं पूछा, मैंने भी नहीं पूछा. सो फॉर्मेटिव इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट प्रमोट्स लर्निंग एंड टेस्ट्स हायर ऑर्डर स्किल्स which is analyze, evaluate and create. For India's context as of now, apply को भी हम थोड़ा हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स में ही देखते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे तो रिकॉग्नाइज और अंडरस्टैंड में ही बेचारे उसमें ही फंसे पड़े हैं.